What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Diaz Dan back with a review for you guys. Got the Air Jordan 9 LA All-Star Weekend, whatever you want to call them, City of Flights on deck. We're going to get into a detailed review and on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. And yeah, big shout out to Fine Line, always coming through, man. All his information will be in the description if you guys looking to pick up some kicks. We're going to get straight into it. Let's start off with the box for you box heads. Take a look. Bow. Golden black box, nothing special. Alright, take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 9 Retro. The colorway is black, summit white. Retails $190 and these released February the 10th. Inside the box, you just got your regular 23 paper. Alright guys, let's just get straight into it. As you guys can see, the shoe features a tumble leather in that summit white with your black upper in that nubuck. Let's get into the front of the toe. As you can see, when I rub it, man, the nubuck on the shoe is not that good at all. Like, it's just a regular flat nubuck. Doesn't even got a stroke to it, nothing. Got your black laces. Black rope laces. You got your Air Jordan in like this goldish color. Midsole, as you can see, got your black Jumpman right there. Summit white on the midsole. Above that, we do have the summit white also, and it's in tumble leather. The tumble leather looks, it's alright. Tumble leather's alright. You know, it's not the best, man. The leather could have been better. It's a little stiff on the stiff side, but still looks pretty dope, I guess. And over here on the upper, where you got your diamond cuts, right here, the panel, it's in that nubuck. Real basic, nothing really too much to talk about. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral. Typical Jordan 9, you got your black on the upper, summit white below that, and of course summit white on the midsole. Back of the shoe, take a look, you got your 23 stitched in, the globe in that goldish color, pull tab in black. And of course in the back you can see you do got that tumble print. Let's take a look inside. Inside the shoe, I'm going to pull the inner sole out and show you guys what's inside. Alright, take a look. Inner sole. It does have a cool little thing. You got your gold Jumpman right there. You got your Los Angeles. And it shows you all the cities that's in LA. Which that's a pretty dope touch, I must say. I like that. You know? Now let's take a look at the bottom of the shoe. Bow! Take a look. Bottom of the shoe, you got your black Jumpman, your 23. The whole bottom is in this milky. It's just milked out. You know what I'm saying? Got your globe right there. You got your Chinese languages over here. And you got the other languages right there. Yeah, man. Just gave you guys a quick look at these Air Jordan LAs that release February 10th. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. I know everybody's going to be passing on this shoe because there's a lot of heat coming out in February. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be crazy February, man. But you know what? I thought these were going to be different, guys. Like I really did, man. And you know, it's not bad. It's just Jordan Brand. Come on, y'all could have did a better job on these. You know, like the quality is kind of, yeah, you know, it's alright, but, you know, they just could have did a better job. And enough talking. We're going to get into this on feet of these Air Jordan 9 LAs. And let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? I know a lot of you guys are going to say it's a pass, but hey, I'm here to give you guys these reviews. Let me know what you guys think. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.